Welcome. Today, we explore the remarkable influence of food on our brain, the organ that shapes every thought, memory, and emotion. Despite its importance, we often overlook how our diet can nurture and protect our minds. Across millennia, the relationship between what we eat and how we think has shaped our evolution. In this video, we'll uncover 7 extraordinary foods, each packed with nutrients vital for brain health. We'll focus on the science behind these natural wonders and how they can sharpen focus, preserve memory, and protect our most precious organ. Let's begin our journey into the world of brain-boosting foods. Our journey starts with the blueberry, a small fruit with a big impact on brain health. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. This stress, caused by free radicals, can damage brain cells and accelerate aging. The antioxidants in blueberries neutralize these free radicals, helping to maintain healthy neural connections. Studies show that regular blueberry consumption may slow cognitive decline and reinforce memory pathways. These compounds accumulate in the hippocampus, enhancing communication between brain cells and supporting learning. Blueberries don't just protect the brain, they actively improve its function over time. The benefits build gradually, rewarding consistent, long-term inclusion in your diet. So, a handful of blueberries is more than a snack. It's a natural shield for your mind. This tiny fruit is a powerful ally in preserving memory and mental clarity. Nature's own brain defender, found right in your kitchen. The blueberry, a true gem of the forest, offering protection with every bite. Add them to your meals, and you're investing in your cognitive future. Simple, delicious, and profoundly effective. The power of the blueberry is in your hands. Next, we dive into the oceans to discover fatty fish, salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, a crucial component of brain cell membranes. DHA keeps brain cells flexible, supporting efficient communication and memory. Fatty fish also provide EPA, which helps reduce inflammation, a key factor in cognitive decline. Regular consumption of these fish is linked to slower mental aging and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Omega-3s are essential at every stage of life, from brain development in infants to memory support in older adults. They may even help regulate mood by influencing neurotransmitters like serotonin. By eating fatty fish, you're directly nourishing your brain's structure and function. The health of our minds is deeply connected to the health of our oceans. These silver swimmers are more than food. They're a vital link in the chain of human cognition. Make them a regular part of your diet for lifelong brain support. The ocean's gift to your mind. From the earth, we find turmeric, a golden root revered for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly benefit the brain. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, fighting the processes that contribute to brain aging. It also boosts the body's own antioxidant defenses, strengthening the brain's resilience. Most notably, curcumin increases levels of BDNF, a growth hormone vital for neuron survival and the formation of new connections. Higher BDNF levels are linked to better memory and learning, and may help delay age-related decline. Turmeric's benefits are now backed by modern science, confirming what traditional medicine observed long ago. This spice doesn't just protect the brain, it helps it grow and adapt. Add turmeric to your meals for a daily dose of cognitive support. Its vibrant color is a sign of its powerful effects. The golden root, a simple way to nurture your mind. Ancient wisdom, modern science, united in turmeric, a gift from the soil to your brain. Meet broccoli, the miniature tree packed with brain-boosting nutrients. Broccoli is rich in glucosinolates, which convert to isothiocyanates, powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. These compounds help protect brain cells from damage and support long-term cognitive health. Broccoli also provides abundant vitamin K, essential for building and maintaining brain cell membranes. Vitamin K supports the synthesis of sphingolipids, crucial for cell signaling and brain activity. A deficiency in vitamin K can impair memory and cognitive function. Broccoli's benefits go beyond one nutrient. It's a synergistic package of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Including broccoli in your diet is a simple, effective way to support brain health. It's not a miracle cure, but a form of daily maintenance for your mind. Whole foods like broccoli offer more than the sum of their parts. Nourish your brain with this humble vegetable, the miniature tree of life, nature's cognitive protector. A small change with a big impact. Let's turn to pumpkin seeds. Tiny powerhouses often overlooked. These seeds are loaded with antioxidants and 4 key minerals: magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Magnesium supports learning and memory by enhancing synaptic plasticity. Iron ensures the brain receives enough oxygen, preventing fatigue and brain fog. Zinc is vital for nerve signaling and memory, especially in the hippocampus. Copper helps regulate neurotransmitters, supporting healthy brain communication. Each seed delivers these minerals in a natural, balanced form. Pumpkin seeds are a simple way to maintain the brain's chemical balance and function. Just a handful can provide a daily boost to your cognitive health. Nature's mineral supplement, crafted for your mind. Don't discard these seeds. Embrace their hidden power. Small in size, big in benefits, the secret strength of the pumpkin revealed. Now we travel to the tropics for cacao, the source of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, potent antioxidants that accumulate in brain regions linked to learning and memory. These compounds enhance neurogenesis and improve blood flow to the brain, boosting attention and processing speed. Flavonoids stimulate nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and supporting both brain and heart health. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine and theobromine, providing gentle, sustained alertness. These effects combine to sharpen focus and elevate mood. High-quality dark chocolate, 70% cacao or more, delivers the greatest benefits. Milk chocolate lacks these advantages due to lower cacao and higher sugar content. Enjoy dark chocolate in moderation for a cognitive and emotional lift. It's a sophisticated pleasure with real brain benefits. The food of the gods, nourishing intellect and spirit. Choose wisely and let chocolate work for your mind. A delicious way to support brain health. Our journey ends with nuts, nature's concentrated source of brain fuel. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that helps fight inflammation and protect brain cells. Nuts also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields brain cell membranes from damage. Regular nut consumption is linked to sharper memory, faster thinking, and reduced risk of cognitive decline. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a powerful synergy for brain health. A small handful of mixed nuts daily is enough to tap into these benefits. Like squirrels storing nuts for winter, we can build reserves of brain-protective nutrients. Each nut offers a unique profile. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and pecans all contribute. Variety is key for maximum benefit. Nuts are portable, delicious, and easy to add to any diet. Invest in your mind with this ancient source of nourishment. The gnarled caskets of energy. Simple, effective, and time-tested. A daily handful for lifelong cognitive vitality. Our journey reveals that brain health begins on our plates. Blueberries, fatty fish, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and nuts. Each offers unique protection and nourishment for the mind. These foods aren't magic bullets, but powerful tools for lifelong cognitive wellness. By choosing them daily, we invest in our mental clarity, memory, and resilience. Thank you for joining this exploration. Eat wisely and nurture your most precious organ. Until next time, be well and keep learning.